Hey there, hardware enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of purchasing? Well, grab your favorite gadget and get comfy, because today, we're going to explore 3 types of purchasing that are essential for success in hardware-centric companies. Now, before we jump right in, let's get one thing straight. Purchasing is not just about buying stuff. It's about fueling innovation, shaping the market, and building a brighter future, one purchase at a time. So let's break it down, shall we? First up, we have personal purchases. Ah, the joy of shopping sprees. These purchases are the backbone of consumerism and play a significant role in driving our economy. Think about those shiny smartphones, sleek laptops, and trusty home appliances we can't live without. Each purchase we make shapes the market for hardware goods and inspires companies to create even more innovative products. So, my fellow shoppers, let's make our personal purchases count. But how do we make smart personal purchases when it comes to hardware products? Well, here's a tip. Look beyond the price tag. Consider the quality, features, and durability of the product. And hey, why not support environmentally responsible manufacturers while you're at it? By making wise buying decisions, you not only save money in the long run, but you also reduce waste and contribute to a greener planet. How cool is that? Next on our list, we have mercantile purchasing. Now, these folks are the unsung heroes of retail. Agents, wholesalers, and retailers work tirelessly to make sure a wide variety of hardware products reach us, the consumers. They are the connectors, the middlemen of the market, ensuring that everyone has access to the latest and greatest gadgets. So, a big shout out to our mercantile heroes. But here's the secret sauce for hardware-focused businesses: strategic mercantile purchasing. It's all about building strong relationships with suppliers and staying informed about market trends. By doing so, you can make the most of your purchasing power and stay ahead of the game. So remember, folks, in the world of mercantile purchasing, it's all about teamwork and staying in the know. Now let's shift gears and talk about industrial and institutional purchasing. This type of purchasing is all about building the future, one purchase at a time. From raw materials to finished products, industrial purchasing plays a crucial role in the growth of hardware-centered companies and our economy as a whole. It's the backbone of economic development, my friends. And speaking of the future, let's not forget the impact of government and institutional purchasing. Government agencies and institutions are shaping our world by purchasing hardware goods and services in bulk. They're the ones making sure our public utilities, infrastructure, and services are up to par. So kudos to them for paving the way towards a brighter future in the hardware sector. All right, folks, we've covered the 3 types of purchasing, but here's the icing on the cake. In hardware-centric companies, it's crucial to align your procurement objectives with your overall corporate strategy. Integration is the name of the game. By doing this, you ensure efficient operations and give your business that extra competitive edge. And let's not forget about the power of building strong supplier relationships. In the hardware industry, nurturing these connections is vital. Keep those lines of communication open, practice smart negotiation tactics, and watch those relationships flourish. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about the future of procurement. My tech-savvy friends, embrace the digital transformation. Implementing e-procurement solutions can revolutionize your purchasing processes. These tools streamline everything, giving your company a substantial advantage in the industry. So hop on board the e-procurement train. But wait, there's more. Data analytics isn't just for marketing gurus. It's also a game changer in procurement. Leveraging the power of data-driven insights can enhance your purchasing decisions and optimize your supply chain performance. So crunch those numbers and unlock the secrets hidden in your data. Now, let's sprinkle a little green magic into the mix. Sustainable procurement is the way to go for hardware-centric companies. Choose eco-friendly materials, products, and suppliers. By balancing profits with environmental responsibility, you can make a positive impact on our planet. It's all about that profit and planet harmony. And don't forget to measure the impact of your sustainable procurement practices. Track and evaluate your environmental and social performance. Take a look at successful case studies of companies who have integrated sustainability into their procurement strategy. Learn from the best and let those insights guide you towards a greener future. Now, let's navigate the challenges of the global supply chain. It's no secret that disruptions can happen, but fear not. By identifying and mitigating potential risks, you can ensure your company's resilience in the face of adversity. Develop strategies specifically tailored to the hardware industry and bounce back stronger than ever. Collaboration is key, my friends. In hardware-focused companies, fostering cross-functional collaboration is vital. Get your procurement, engineering, and other departments working together. By promoting teamwork, you can drive innovation and efficiency in the hardware industry. Let's build the future together. Knowledge is power. And when it comes to procurement, continuous learning is essential. Cultivate a high-performing procurement team by attracting, retaining, and developing top talent. Invest in ongoing professional development, explore resources, and seize opportunities for growth in the procurement field. Stay curious and keep on learning. And that's a wrap, folks. By understanding the nuances of personal, mercantile, and industrial, institutional purchasing, you hold the keys to success in the hardware industry. So go out there, make informed decisions, build robust procurement practices, and become a leading force in the world of hardware. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Remember, in the world of purchasing, optimism is the name of the game. Keep shining bright, stay optimistic, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy purchasing.